Okay, wait a second. Look at this.
There's an arch behind you. Ready?
Yeah. It still looks blurry to me.
Maybe we should turn the flash on?
Maybe that's it. How do I know?
It's the green one that looks like a camera.
Okay. No, I didn't get it.
Yep.
Good job. Go,
Are you ready?
girl.
Yeah.
Okay, look at yours and see if you like them, though, Tori, because are my eyes open? That trick is called a TJ, and that means that they're up in the air and the rope goes 3 times around before they come down. But the thing is whenever you travel, all jump ropers, that's the trick they want to do in front of everything, is the TJ.
It's very difficult, this now.
Yeah, it is. It takes a while to learn it. Takes a while. You want me to try again?
I was thinking the arch is kind of cool.